Welcome to the 18th edition of Dubai Airshow. Guest travels to Dubai Airshow got a special Dubai Airshow The Future of the Aerospace Industry stamp on their passports. The industry mega event gathered key players across aerospace and defense for the 18th edition, featuring more than 1,400 exhibitors from 95 countries, 350 plus international leading speakers, 80 plus startups, 20 country pavilions who collectively redefine the future of industry, along with 190 plus aircraft on static and flying display. This year's Dubai Airshow focuses on talent development and localization to signify key areas of development, regional aerospace and defense industries. Pakistan Aeronautical Complex also displayed their planes in their pavilion in this Dubai Airshow. Dubai Airshow 2023 became a platform where innovation took flight and groundbreaking ideas became reality. With the dynamic convergence of next-gen leaders and the Make in the Emirates featured in this particular airshow. The home airline of Dubai, Emirates Airlines, has displayed 777 and A380. Emirates placed $6 billion order for 15 Airbus A350. Emirates has now committed a total of $58 billion, which is 110 additional aircrafts. I was excited to take the pictures in front of my favorite airlines by posing in front of the planes and the engines. Riyadh Air is coming big time, and they have made huge announcements as well during the Dubai Airshow. Beautiful aircrafts from different countries they have presented there, flying past, which the audience has enjoyed a lot. Beautiful colors and the flying past were shown in this air show. Thank you for watching the video and see you in 2025 Dubai Airshow. Goodbye.